Have you ever applied for a job, felt confident about your skills, and still got rejected without even getting an interview? No feedback, no explanation, just silence. And you start wondering, was I not good enough or did something else happen? Because here's the truth most people don't realize. In many cases, your CV was never even seen by a human. It was rejected by a system. Today, most companies don't manually go through hundreds or thousands of applications. They use software called Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS, often powered by AI. These systems are designed to filter candidates quickly by scanning resumes for specific keywords, skills, experience, and formatting. If your CV doesn't match what the system is programmed to look for, it gets rejected automatically, no matter how capable you are. Think about how this works. When a company posts a job, they already have a clear idea of what they want. Specific tools, years of experience, certain qualifications. The AI system scans your CV and compares it with that requirement. It looks for exact matches. If the job requires data analysis using Python and your CV says worked on analytics projects, the system might not even recognize it as a match. That small difference in wording can decide whether you move forward or get filtered out. Another factor is structure and formatting. Many people design creative CVs with graphics, columns, or unusual layouts. But ATS systems often struggle to read those formats properly. Important information gets missed, sections get ignored, and the CV becomes unreadable for the system. So while it may look impressive to a human, it fails at the first stage because the machine can't process it. Let's take a simple example. Imagine 1,000 people apply for a job. The system might filter out 70 to 80% of them in seconds, based purely on keyword matching and relevance. That means only a small percentage ever reach a recruiter. So the competition you think you're facing is not the full 1,000. It's the filtered group that passed the system. But here's the important part. AI is not perfect. It doesn't understand potential, adaptability, or mindset. It only understands patterns and data. That means great candidates can be rejected simply because they didn't speak the language of the system. And that's where most people lose. Not because they lack skill, but because they don't understand how hiring actually works today. Now, companies are going even further. Some systems don't just screen CVs. They rank candidates, predict job fit, and even analyze application behavior, which means recruitment is no longer just human-driven, it's system-driven. And if you don't understand the system, you're playing the game blindly. At the Learning Studio, we're breaking down 100 subjects into simple, powerful video series so you can learn smarter and understand how the world actually works. Because once you understand how AI filters candidates, you stop sending random CVs and start positioning yourself to actually get seen.